Playing it by ear, mastering flexibility in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that sounds musical but is used in everyday conversation. Play it by ear. Stick around to uncover the meaning behind this expression and how you can use it to sound more like a native speaker. Play it by ear is an idiomatic expression that originally comes from the world of music. It means to play music without reading the musical notes, instead relying on one's memory or ability to hear and reproduce the music. However, in everyday English, it has a broader meaning. When someone says they'll play it by ear, they mean they will decide how to proceed based on the situation at the moment, rather than planning everything in advance. It's all about flexibility and spontaneity. The phrase, play it by ear, reflects the skill of musicians who perform without referring to written music, showing their ability to adapt to the musical piece's flow intuitively. This expression has been adopted into general English to describe approaching any situation with adaptability, ready to change plans as necessary. Using play it by ear in conversation signals that you're open to possibilities and not strictly bound by a plan. Here are a few examples. In response to future plans, I'm not sure if I'll be free this weekend. Let's play it by ear. When discussing how to handle a meeting or event, we don't know how many people will attend, so we'll have to play it by ear. This phrase is perfect for situations that are uncertain or when you want to convey a relaxed, adaptable attitude. Let's practice with a mini dialogue to see how play it by ear fits naturally into English conversation. Person A, do you want to set a time to meet next week? Person B, I have a pretty unpredictable schedule. Let's play it by ear, and I'll call you when I know more. Notice how Person B uses the phrase to indicate flexibility and openness to arranging the meeting based on their future circumstances. Play it by ear is a wonderful expression that captures the essence of flexibility and spontaneity, both in music and in life. Remember, the beauty of learning a language lies in understanding the nuances of its idioms. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how to use play it by ear in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.